Guys, and welcome to our channel. Today we will learn about Salesforce tutorial series platform development basic 2 and develop without code. Let's start. Develop without code. In that, first of all, read this article, the power of metadata, the first two lines. After that, goes to below, and this is this type of action performed in this tutorial. In short, this is the paragraph you will learn also. Then what's inside tree mouse, and read this so you can understand the basic knowledge about that. After that, learn this and that you can see here, and goes to our organization and click on setup, and then in home and click file browse and search schema builders and open. After that, you can see this type of layout in this schema builders. Here you can select custom object. After that, goes to below and you can also try standard objects and custom objects also. First, click on view object and you can see this type of layout. After that, you can also click and zoom this layout. And then goes below, and here is the quiz. The first quiz: what's the relation between object field and record in Salesforce relation database? And second, how does the metadata-driven architecture support declarative development? The second question's answer A and first question's answer C. You can see into this paragraph. And then click on check the quiz to 100 points. And I hope you enjoyed this quiz, and likes and subscribe to our channels Mehul Patil. Thank you.